Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore fascinating legal cases that have shaped our society and the world at large. Today, we're diving into the captivating story of a landmark U.S. Supreme Court case that revolutionized freedom of speech and set new standards for journalism. Get ready for Defamation and Freedom of Speech, the landmark case that changed journalism forever. Before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss out on your legal insights. And if you find this information valuable, remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your curious friends. Let's get started. In the early 1960s, during the height of the civil rights movement, a groundbreaking legal battle unfolded. L.B. Sullivan, a Montgomery City commissioner, took on the New York Times and a group of African-American ministers in a libel lawsuit. This case would forever change the landscape of defamation law. The advertisement that ignited the controversy, it all began with an advertisement titled "Heed Their Rising Voices," which criticized the treatment of African-American students in Montgomery. The advertisement, although containing some factual inaccuracies, led Sullivan to allege that he was personally defamed by the publication due to his position as a public official. Let's now delve deeper into the Supreme Court's verdict in this groundbreaking case. The justices ruled in favor of the New York Times, setting a higher standard for public officials in defamation cases. They introduced the concept of actual malice to protect freedom of speech and the press. So, what exactly does actual malice mean? In the context of this case, it refers to the requirement that public officials must prove that the defendant knowingly made false statements or showed reckless disregard for the truth. This new standard was crucial in safeguarding robust public debate, even if it meant accepting occasional errors or inaccuracies. Impact on freedom of speech in journalism. The New York Times Company v. Sullivan decision left a lasting impact on freedom of speech in journalism. It ensured that citizens could freely discuss and criticize public officials without the fear of excessive legal repercussions. This protection of free expression paved the way for a more transparent and accountable democracy. The ripple effect, subsequent legal precedents, the reverberations of this landmark case extended beyond its immediate impact. The Supreme Court's decision in New York Times Company v. Sullivan influenced subsequent legal precedents and further refined the standards for libel and defamation cases in the United States. It solidified the importance of protecting the media's role in scrutinizing public officials and matters of public concern. A catalyst for responsible journalism. Moreover, this case acted as a catalyst for responsible journalism. The requirement of actual malice compelled journalists to adhere to higher standards of accuracy and fact-checking. It emphasized the significance of journalistic integrity and the ethical responsibility of media outlets in reporting on public officials and matters that shape our society. Now, it's time to wrap.